All right. Hello, hello. I can't say good morning because if you guys knew what time it was, you would lose it. It's about 8:30 p.m. I'm just getting around to having my first official meal of the day. You know, my 10 eggs pound cake. I'm going to add stuff to it. Some olives. I'm going to skip the shake today. I've just been trying to get my videos done and a bunch of other stuff that, came up. So let's get it. I had a bunch of tangerines and mixed nuts to keep me going. But you're gonna see me get those 4,000 calories in me. Oh, I'm gonna get it. All right. Oh, I gotta go grocery shopping too. Maybe Sunday. One, two, three. Gotta add the black pepper. What's the ingredients on this? Not ingredients, but 3 olives, 18 grams. Can you see? Yeah. I actually don't mind unsalted olives. Just don't know where to get them. Eggs looking delicious today. Yes. Okay. Can't even open it. Jeez, who are you trying to keep out of this? Yes. Oh, goodness. I'm trying to cut my fingers. Ah, there we go. I gotta think, what will I have in place of the shake? I gotta have some rice, 2 kinds of tuna, Swiss chards. Yeah. That's what I'll do if I don't get in too late today. And I want to edit these videos tonight that I'm gonna make. So I want to stay ahead. It is officially week 2. Week 2 of the bulk. Can you believe it? It's already been a week. I'm telling you, man, the weeks are gonna fly. I gotta get myself together and be better prepared for this week. I want to eat out less this week. You know, my dinners mostly have consisted of takeout, fast food. Let's see if we could make it all in-house this week. More healthier, heartier meals. All right, almost done. Need my eggs browned. All right. Get this in here. Turn this up. Big meal, fit for a king. And I don't really want too much of these. I'm probably just gonna have 3 or 6. We could do 6. Okay. I want water in my eggs, man. Come on. All right, 6 it is. And there we have it. 10 eggs, 3 pieces of pound cake, 6 olives. It's supposed to be breakfast, but it's probably like 9 o'clock now, so. See you in the next video, man. Peace.